Now I am going to explain how to install bWAPP on Windows. bWAPP is designed for learning about security by finding vulnerabilities and exploiting. See, open Google in your Firefox. Go to bWAPPsourceforce.net. Here is the website. Click on it. Click on download. After that, if you not get any download, continue to download at your own risk. You will get the download notification here. See, bWAPP is downloading. After downloading, go to files, extract the folder, click on folders, extract here, extract all files. After extracting, copy the file, Ctrl C, go to local disk, open Xampp folder, inside that http docs, open, Ctrl V to paste the file. Here is the bWAPP folder I have successfully pasted. After that, you have to start the Xampp server. Type here Xampp. See, I have installed previously. Without starting the Xampp server, you cannot run. Xampp is the web application localhost server. Start Apache and MySQL. After starting, minimize it. Go to your Firefox. Type here localhost. See, my Xampp server is successfully started. Just type here bWAPP. Install.php. Click on it. Click on it. After that, see, click here to install bWAPP. See, the bWAPP database already existed. See, I have previously downloaded, that's why it's showing like this. After downloading this one, go to bWAPP login.php. Click on enter. See, this is the login credential. B and bug are the password and login. Type here B. Type here bug. Just click on login. I have successfully logged in my bWAPP account. Without starting the Xampp server, you could not run the bWAPP application. Remember that. Thank you for watching.